Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video we will see various kind of CPU scheduling algorithms and their classifications. Generally, these CPU scheduling algorithms are classified into two types. One will be non-preemptive scheduling algorithms and CPU scheduler algorithms based on the preemptive process. Non-preemptive scheduling algorithms means once a process enters the CPU, it can come out only in two situations. One will be after completion of its task or if any kind of IO operation is needed. These are the two ways only it comes out of the CPU, and in all other cases it is going to be in the CPU to perform its task. Means non-preemptive means any kind of a process will perform voluntarily its task and voluntarily can come out of the CPU or voluntarily it's come out of CPU to perform its IO operation. We can call it as non-preemptive process. Coming to preemptive process, these are not voluntarily coming out of the CPU. They may come out of the CPU forcefully because of some kind of time out operation, or there might be some other process which might get having the higher priority. Those kind of process we call it as preemptive process. I mean, when a process is in the execution, if some timeout happen, for example 2 nanoseconds timeout happen, it has to definitely comes out. Means is it a forceful or not? Yes, that is the meaning of preemptive process. Okay, if you look into various kind of non-preemptive CPU scheduling algorithms, first one will be first come first serve and shortest job first, shortly we call it as SJF, longest job first, and priority algorithm, and highest response ratio next, HRRN. And coming to preemptive based algorithms, shortest remaining time first, I can shortly call it as SRTF, or we can call it as SJF with preemption. Right? If you look here in the non-preemptive process, SJF is there, right? Which means by default it is SJF with the non-preemptive. It is SJF with preemption, also called as SRTF, shortest remaining time first. And the next one is longest remaining time first, shortly we call it as LRTF, or we can call it as LJF with preemption. Right? We have seen in the other classification longest job first, that is default non-preemptive. And another thing in the preemptive process is priority algorithm. Another one will be round robin algorithm. Out of all these algorithms, the best algorithm will be round robin algorithm. Okay, how I am saying all these classifications and how round robin is the best one, like that. Once you gone through all the videos of this each and every algorithm, you can able to clearly understand why I have classified like this and why these are the best like that. Okay, in other kind of classification, these scheduler algorithms are classified as multi-level queue scheduling, multi-level feedback queue scheduling, multiple process scheduling, and real-time scheduling algorithms. Okay guys, this is the classification of various scheduling algorithms. In the coming videos, we will try to take one by one algorithm and we will try to explain with clear examples. Hope you understood this video clearly.